Hello everyone. Welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. Creamy penne with sausage and butternut squash. Subscribe to this channel and discover many new weekly video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this recipe by cooking the sausage in the oven or in a frying pan. On a baking sheet, arrange the sausages in a single layer, add a small amount of water or olive oil. Cover with aluminum foil and bake at 390 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. If you are in a hurry, you can also boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Cut the squash in half, scraping out the seeds and fiber, then peel and cut it up into 1/2 inch, 2 centimeters, cubes. Transfer and spread the diced squash in a single layer on a baking sheet. Season with salt, black pepper, chunky fresh garlic, olive oil, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the squash is tender and begins to brown. Meanwhile, finely chop the onion, garlic, and parsley, and set aside for later. When the sausage and the diced squash are cooked, remove from the oven and let cool. Once the sausages are cool to the touch, cut them into slices of about 1/4 inch, 1 centimeter. Pour a tablespoon of olive oil into a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic, and let cook for a minute or two. Add the sausage to the pan, and sauté for a minute or two. Add 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 1 or 2 sprigs of thyme, and a pinch of chili flakes. Optional, add the white wine and let it reduce by half, about a minute. After about a minute or two, add the diced squash to the pan. Season with salt and pepper, and add the heavy cream. Add a tablespoon of water if needed, and let simmer on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the sauce is ready, and the pasta is not cooked yet, set aside and keep warm. Bring a pot half full of water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add the salt and the pasta, cook al dente or according to the instructions on the package, usually about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and reserve some of the pasta water. Bring the condiment to a medium-low heat. Add the pasta to the sauce and stir in a few spoonfuls of the pasta water if necessary. Season with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and parsley. Your creamy sausage and butternut squash pasta is ready to be served. If you find this video to your liking, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Also, you can serve your pasta family style.